Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Let's make a quick video straight to the point here. First of all, Bitcoin was forming this upwards trending channel yesterday, and we were talking about that if we break this support, then obviously we're most likely going to see Bitcoin go down in the immediate short term. Now, we did break the support and we did go down here, and as you can see, Bitcoin actually got a bounce off of this previous support level. We did see support coming back there and some resistance from back there. This is the $35,000 level approximately. So a clear bounce off of previous support, which was of course a bullish signal in the immediate short term here. And ever since the bounce, we have seen a pump to the upside. And I want to show you a critical resistance level that Bitcoin needs to break right now. Let me put the line right here. Look at this. It's very obvious. We have resistance there, and also resistance there. And right now, Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to this level. This is the $36,674 level. The question is this going to be our next big trade to the upside here? And are we going to be able to make some money by trading this over on Bybit? All right, so let's take a look at this. And then I'm going to take a look at Ethereum as well. Well, first of all, it seems like Bitcoin is forming yet another head and shoulders pattern, but this is an inverse head and shoulders. Here we had a head and shoulders, remember? And I told you guys that if we break the neckline here, then this is, of course, a short signal. And we did come down all the way down to these levels. And then we reversed back up again. So this was a nice trade, of course. The question is this going to lead to another trade? Well, let's talk about the target here. If we were to break the neckline, because the neckline is this white horizontal level at 36,700. And let me pull out this line like this. We put it up at the point of the breakout. This gives us a target technically here at $39,500, which actually lines up nicely with previous resistance up here. So important target to watch. However, if we take a look at this, I think that a more interesting target, in my opinion, I think we should pay attention to this line, because that's the resistance out of this bigger horizontal triangle. Remember, we have this huge horizontal triangle forming, and I think that this resistance is more important, in my opinion, for a potential profit-taking area. But let's go back into the immediate short term here and take a look at this. What I'm saying here is that if Bitcoin breaks above 36,700, then this could be a perfect opportunity for us to go over to Bybit and put in a long position, and I would be targeting, like I said, approximately 38,500 because of this previous resistance, approximately these levels. Maybe let's say 38,300, and stop loss is always, of course. But this is only if we break the neckline. We can still see the bearish scenario play out, where we actually just reverse back down again. This can happen sometimes where head and shoulders patterns don't break out. Actually, let me just show you real quick one of these examples just before we go forward. Right here, you can see Bitcoin was forming a shoulder, head, and shoulder, and we were talking about this, how if we break the neckline, then we are going to go down to our target, which was down here. However, look at this, we never broke the neckline. It never happened. We just came back up again. So that's a very important thing. Never trade a head and shoulders pattern until the break of the neckline. We want to see volume come in, and that's when we can confirm. So take your finger, any of them. You can use this finger, this, I would say this finger is the best one, and then you go down right now, and then you click the like button.